Education is the pathway to new customers. If you're a business owner, you want to attract new customers, have them buy more often, and spend more each time. The best way to do that is through education. Every sale is an educational sale. People are afraid of making a mistake. They're afraid of looking foolish. So, teach them how to use your product. Make it fun, easy, and engaging. The Home Depot has a Saturday morning workshop to show people how to do a project. It encourages customers to do more projects because they know what to do. They're not afraid. I once worked for a sewing machine company. We had a seminar. For $50, you would get $500 in product. We taught people how to use embroidery machines. We sold machines, embroidery thread, software, and training. People bought because they felt they knew how to do it. Photoshop is a very robust program. It can be intimidating. Adobe has brand evangelists that teach people how to use their software with their free videos. So, how do you teach? There are 3 learning modes: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. If you can incorporate all 3 modes, people absorb it easily, like medicine from an IV. IV learning can help you teach your customers how to use your products if you want more customers buying more often and spending more each time. Then you really need IV learning. Dr. Pete Lawrence has a PhD in computer instructional design. Reed Sawyer is a videographer, graphic artist, writer, and trainer. For info, go to turnkeyventures.net or call 773-372-9656.